Venngage makes it easy for you to collaborate with your teams straight inside the editor tool with real-time collaboration. If you are a team owner, you are able to invite up to 10 team members within your organization to join your team. If you are looking to purchase more than 10 seats, then a special price that caters best to your needs would work from our enterprise options. Reach out to our customer success team who would be more than happy to build and support a personalized price for you. That way, you can invite as many team members as you need, collaborate on projects all in one place, and receive personalized onboarding, as well as 24-hour, 5 days a week priority customer support. As a business plan team owner, you are able to add and remove others from the account and manage the billing. You can invite your team if you click the Invite Team button at the top right corner when you're browsing in Home, Templates, or inside the editor. After confirmation is sent to their email and they're added to your team, you can find them in My Team at the left navigation bar under Manage. When you're ready to share your designs with your teams, you can click Share with Team and your design will show up in all your team members' Team Design section. This way, they can all edit or preview from there. Your team members can share their designs with the team as well using this exact process, so everyone can be on the same page. Now your team can adjust, align, add text, swap colors, and even chat together with their updates and comments on a project all in real time. Other plan users or guests you can invite can offer feedback using the comments feature, but don't have access to the brand kit or business icons, templates, or features such as real-time collaboration. Keep them in the loop so that they don't miss out on aligning and collaborating with your team. Instead of drowning under emails of back and forth design changes, you're able to quickly adjust and communicate project goals all in one place, with so much time to spare before a presentation or meeting. Venngage not only enables you to create professional designs in minutes, but to manage your projects in separate folders for maximum organization and time management. Project management and real-time collaboration all in one. Reduce hassle on switching tabs for different platforms. Access team designs with ease. If you're ready to grow your business and stay ahead of the competition, like Harvard University, Airbnb, or the New York Times, book a call to learn more. We support you where it matters. Your organization will be led every step of the way. Our team is excited to connect with you.